How's it, guys? I just want to show you how to, in the Python console on PyCharm, how to open and create files and also write something to that file and append something to it and then display its contents. Okay, so let's do this. So what you want to do is you can call this variable whatever you need to call it. I'm just going to call it text. Then you say open. You choose a file name. I'm going to say file2.text. And then what you want to do is you want to open it in a write mode. Okay, now that created the file and it opened it in write mode. Now the only thing you do is say text.write, and inside this inside the parameter you write the text you want to add there. This is a newly created file, and there it would add that text to the file, and this is just the index of the file. I already have something in a file called text file or file2. That's why this number is so high. Okay, now next thing you want to do, if you want to append something to the back of that, because if you write something again, it will overwrite the already written part. So this will just append something to the back of it. Now what you want to do is say text.write. Oh no, sorry. The first thing you want to do, the best thing to do actually is close the file first. Once the file is closed, you open it again. So text open file2, which is a text file, and instead of write mode, you put append mode. Now, next step is exactly the same. Text.write, and then you append whatever you need to. This is a newly created file created in July 2019. That's it. There it is appended. Now, the next thing to do is close the file again. It's better to close the file every time you're done with it, otherwise you might get some errors. Okay, once that is open the file again, text.open file2. Sorry, I made a mistake. Text equals open file2. Okay, that file is open again. Now you need to add the written content to a variable. Now I'm just going to call it content, and then you add the written content. Just say read or text.read. There it is. The text in that file is now in that content variable. To print it, you just say content. But a better thing to say probably would be print content, just for good habits, That's it. That's how you create a file with PyCharm. Open it, write other files to it, append to it, and so on. It will create it in the directory you're currently working. In my case, it's the project I was working on, but whatever directory you open your Python console in, that's where it will create it. Thanks a lot, guys, and I hope this helped you. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.